Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Alishan Mao here. Welcome to this little man cave, and today in this video I have just got myself a new battery charger. This is HOTA, I believe that's how you pronounce it, HOTA, from HOTA company. D6 Pro AC DC dual charger, smart charger, AC 200 watt and DC 650 watt 15 amp charging power. It is dual channel. You can charge two batteries simultaneously, and you can charge multiple types of batteries. So in this video, first off, we are going to take a closer look at this charger. We're gonna take a look at what comes inside the box. We'll talk about the features of the charger, and then it's about time I actually get myself out of this comfort zone of mine that I have built in my little man cave and drag myself out in some heat and fly some RC planes, because I have, like, you know, say RC planes, they are all just waiting, and I haven't been able to fly anything lately. And of course I'm also building something down here with RC gold. That's what I call it, RC gold. I have got 6 Scorpion motors on it, original Scorpion motors. They cost an arm and a leg. So basically I need to charge the batteries. I need to charge 6S 16,000 milliamp for this baby. It's sitting right there actually behind this hexacopter. And I also have to charge 6S batteries for this one. Those are 3300 milliamp. I have to charge 5,000 milliamp 4S batteries for my mini talon, because I want to fly FPV, and of course for that little bird I have to charge 4S 3300 milliamp batteries. Now I have a lot of batteries to charge, and this charger arrives at a very good time, because I can just unbox it, talk about its features quickly, and give you a quick look at its features and its menu systems, and then use it right away and see how it goes. Also, I have got my ISDT D2 charger sitting right there. So basically, because I'm going to charge 2 of each type of batteries that I've just mentioned, we can easily compare the performance of this with that down there. Alright, so let's get to work right away. Alright, first off, on the box it says patented product, AC/DC input. This is very nice, because I don't like having small chargers that you have to power from a power supply, or, you know, batteries. This you can power from another battery and then charge more batteries, but it also has wall outlet power supply built in, so you can connect it to the wall outlet, which is very good. Dual channel output, wireless charging of your phones. Yes, you can actually put your phone, and if it supports wireless charging, you can basically charge your phone without connecting anything. Just put it on top of this charger. That's a new and nice feature here. Intelligent control upgrade, various batteries supported, safe and reliable, multiple languages. Nice. Alright, what's inside the box? First off, Chinese and English user manual. So we have a cable right here that you can connect to the wall outlet, and after that, check this out. This is your charger right here. Awesome, isn't it? Check it out. It's not very big actually. It's almost as big as the ISDT. So you have a battery port right here, XT60, so you can power it out through a battery and then charge more batteries in the field, or you can connect the cable and power it through the wall outlet. Then we have a USB port for firmware upgrade, and a USB out for charging USB devices. On the front we have a 2 XT60 connectors and a balance port. Very nice. And then on top you have your wireless charging thing for your phone. So just put your phone like here, and if it supports wireless charging, it will start charging. And then we have this screen right here, which has a channel button and a dial at the right side, which is at the same time is a clicker. Nice. So this will be very easy to configure everything. Alright, let's power it up and see how it goes. Let me give you the overview of the menu system. So I'm just gonna plug it in, and let me just get rid of reflection. So first off, the channel button, you can switch to 2 different channels. Okay, or you can watch both channels together. Next, the dial, press and hold to enter the parameters or charge settings. So you have task parameters, safety timer, max capacity, and current trickle charge. System parameters, language, max input power, minimum input voltage, LCD backlight, wireless charge, and volume. Then we have completion signal, that is alarm after complete charging, and device name. Nice. So you can basically change the name. Alright, so my big charger is gone, and now two of these chargers left. So these are all the batteries. We have 6005, we have 1500 milliamp 4S, 5000 milliamp 6S, only one, so I'm just going to put it aside. And we have 16,000 milliamp 6S, I'm going to put it aside first. So we have 3300 milliamp 2X 6S battery, 3300 milliamp 2 4S batteries, 5000 milliamp 2 4S batteries, one more 5000 milliamp, I'll just put it aside, and one more 3300 milliamp, I will put it aside. So these are same current and same type of batteries, which we are going to charge one by one. So I'm going to plug one 4S and one 6S to ISDT, and one 4S and one 6S to the D6 Pro, and see which one charge first or better. And of course we will check the precision of charging as well. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the smaller batteries first. Alright, I'm gonna plug this to ISDT, and it detects itself. I'm gonna plug this, let me see, where is negative? It's different, don't want to burn the charger. Okay, there we go. Here it shows 15.2 volt, 15.2 volt, okay? Alright? Alright, and I'm going to plug in the 4S 1300 milliamp at this side. 15.3 volt there. And I'm going to plug a 4S here. And it says 15.2 volt here. I find this screen is much easier to read even from far because of the angle of the screen right here, while this one is angle. Basically the original angle is like that, but I have to 3D print something, because if you don't put something under this ISDT charger, you won't be able to connect batteries properly unless you lift the charger. So that is kind of very painful thing to do when it comes to ISDT. Alright, so channel 1, press and say select task charge. Let me just see what kind of tasks I have. Charge, discharge, extensive discharge, storage, balance. So we'll charge battery type auto detected LiPo, and 4.20 volts cell voltage should be after charging. Cell count 14.8 volt 4S. Current setting 15 amp. No. On channel 1 is 3300 milliamp. So I'm just gonna charge them to at a current of let's say 2.3 amps. Okay, and start task. Here I will also set 2.3A and start task. So left side started charging, left side started charging. Now we go to channel 2, start charging, 2.3A, good, alright, good, both channels are charging, and we will see how things go. I'll keep you updated as the charge finishes. So you can see the screen of Hoda D6 Pro, really easy to see from far. But I'm gonna be honest, I can actually see very easily ISDT D2 as well. Even from that angle I can read things properly. So both chargers are having a PK and they're charging, and we'll see how things go. Right, I heard the beeps, I came to the room. D6 Pro, sorry for the lens sound. D6 Pro has charged both batteries, 3300 mAh and 1500 mAh 4S, while ISDT D2 Pro is still charging the 4S 1500 mAh. It's balancing, basically its charge is balancing still, and one of the batteries is charged on ISDT D2 Pro. Now, battery charge by D6 Pro is showing 4.19, 4.2, 4.19, 4.19. Okay, on the balancer, I mean this battery checker. And the battery charge on ISDT D2 shows 4.19, 4.2, 4.19, 4.2. So basically, well, it's just a tad up and down, but both are charging really well. Now, D6 Pro is charging two 6S batteries at the same time, and we will see if it heats up or not. Alright, both chargers have charged the 5000 mAh at the same time. So D6 Pro and ISDT D2 both have charged the 5000 mAh 4S at the same time. So the charging time they are taking to charge the same type of batteries are actually similar or same. These are the reading for 4S 5000 mAh charged with D6 Pro. And these are the readings of 4S 5000 mAh charged by ISDT D2. Now, D6 Pro is charging two 6S batteries at the same time, and we will see if it heats up or not. And if I move it right here to check, let's see what else options we have. 55 degrees the temperature. So far this charger has been performing really well and charging batteries really nicely. It doesn't take long. Both of the charger are actually taking almost the same time to charge similar type of batteries on the same charge current. So basically I'm very happy with the D6 Pro and its performance. Now the question is how long this charger will stay with me and if it will show any issues in near future or not. If it does, definitely I will keep you updated, but for now I have got a replacement because that big charger sitting right there, CQ8, well, it's a good charger. It charges big batteries really nice, and 4 of them at the same time because it's more powerful, but it's kind of bulky. And now I've got two smaller chargers. I can still charge 4 batteries at the same time, and they take less space as well, and they're actually performing very well. Should I need to charge a lot of batteries at the same time? Well, I can always bring my CQ8 out. Anyway, this charger, D6 Pro, is actually performing very well, and I'm loving the ease of use of this charger and its performance so far. I wish I had a phone that supports wireless charging. I could actually charge my phone without connecting it to any cable even. So, enjoy. Thank you very much for watching this lengthy video. If you like the charger, you know there is a link in video description. Stay tuned, and more videos are coming very soon.